Okay, so it is refreshing. It has green vetiver or green khus, but it has been used very well with some floral. I'm not sure. Let's find out. There are perfumes that you use to impress others. There are perfumes that you apply to impress your soul or calm your soul and your senses down, and maybe meditate or enjoy yourself. So I think if you are a perfume enthusiast or if you haven't sniffed these Kashti perfumes, you are missing out on a lot of things. In your lifetime, I really urge you to buy a natural perfume from some artist like this one, Kashti, the Ocean of Scents. These are perfumes done by Divyam Trivedi. He's from India, and I waited so long for these perfumes to come to me, and I wanted to review them from a long time. I waited like 6 months to get these to me. He tried many times. Sometimes it is difficult to reach perfumes from India to Pakistan, so he shipped to Dubai once. Then one of the package was not delivered in Dubai. The second time, I think he tried 2 or 3 times. I really appreciate that these are really costly. Even the samples are really costly. So let's try out today's gem. That is going to be Khayal. Khus is actually the vetiver note. Khayal means thinking or thoughts. So let's see, very unique name, very artistic kind of name. Let's spray it. Generally, I don't like khus note on its own. The green vetiver or Hindi khus, or in Pakistan and India, some people really enjoy it. I don't like it much. I really like the khus bhura or the brown khus dry one, which I really enjoy, but green one I don't like. So let's find out. It's very difficult to use khus or vetiver in natural perfumery. Let's find out. Now, why do you think this is difficult to spray? Because it has natural ingredients, it has more oil. These perfumes have more thickness, so that's why it is difficult to spray sometimes. Okay, so it is refreshing. It has green vetiver or green khus, but it has been used very well with some floral. I'm not sure. Let's find out. Oh, this is this is like, this is Hindi Oud with khas or vetiver, green vetiver and Hindi Oud. There might be something else, maybe ambergris, or there is something watery. I'm not sure. It is kind of like wet green vetiver on a Hindi Oud oil wood or Hindi wood, or it's woody kind of Hindi Oud wood, let's call this. But it has some sparkling kind of effect to it. It is not like just sitting down calmly. It is kind of like, it has some note that is actually like emitting something, like if you have seen kind of like sparkling in the background, kind of like that. Yes, it has some floral. I'm not sure, maybe rose, I think, but this one is used in the background. So it is really lovely rose over here that is kind of like sparkling and entering your nostrils and lifting your mood up, I would say. Yes, very, very lovely rose. It is kind of like rose petals. Yes, very, very lovely. So this is very simple. I'm not sure, but it's a very, very simple composition. I am sniffing mostly vetiver, rose, Hindi oud oil. There might be 2 or 3 more ingredients, but this is really, really lovely. It is simple, it is elegant, it is refreshing, it is sparkling. It is kind of the best rose usage, because rose, if it is used in abundance in perfumes, it is very, very powerful note. You are going to get a headache if you use floral notes like jasmine and rose too overpowered in your perfumes or others. This is really, really well balanced. So this is going to be one of my favorites. Again, I'm going to say that The rose and Hindi Oud oil, they are really lovely. It is kind of like rose water, rose watery kind of vibe to it. It is refreshing, it is cool, it is light funk of oud oil. It has some vetiver greenness in the start. Yes, it is a lovely perfume. So I would say Khayal is a very well balanced rose, oud and vetiver perfume. Vetiver is not too much over here. I find it too much in the start, but now it is oud and rose mostly. So if you like oud and rose perfumes, I think this is one of them. This might be for you. It has some green tint to it. So if you look closely, it has some green tint to it, which is kind of maybe because of vetiver that has been used over here, but it is very well balanced over here. Simple yet very elegant. It is sparkling. That's why I laughed. It is going to make you laugh, I think. Very lovely, very lovely. This is kind of like one of my top 5. I would say I have like 6 or 7 samples. So this is going to be at least at 3rd or 4th position, because this is really good. Now I'm going to give some of the performance. So it is going to be like 9 out of 10 for simplicity and great scent profile, and 7 out of 10 for performance. I think it is going to perform well because it will mostly emit rose, but it is really great. So this is my review about Khayal from Kashti Fragrances. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.